Hello again, everybody. We're again going to continue on with this Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. Thanks for joining me again today. Again, if you want to follow along, there's a link in the description, or you can just search for this book on Amazon. I do get a small commission with any purchases. So today we're going to work on puzzle number 8. So let's see, where do we want to start? We can do this column here. We're missing a 2, a 4, an 8, and a 9. So we've got a 2 and a 9 here. A 4 and a 9 here. A 2 and a 9 here. Oh, sorry, that should be an 8. And then we've just got the 4 here. But if we look, so this 9, that can't be the 9. These can't be the 9, so this has to be our 9. Let's see, what next? We can do this box here. We've got a 1, 2. We're missing a 3, a 4, and a 6. So this box can't be a 4. This one can't be a 3 or a 6, so that has to be our 4. And because the 6 is there, this is our 3, and this is our 6. And if we do this column, we're missing a 1 and a 3, but there's a 3 here. So that's a 1, that's a 3. For this box, we're missing a 1, a 2, and a 7, but we've got 1s covering both of these, so this has to be our 1. And these can either be 2s or 7s. Let's do this row. We're missing a 1 and a 7. There's a 7 there, so this is our 1, this is our 7. If we do this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6, an 8, and a 9. There's a 9 here. So that could be our 6 or our 8. There's a 6 here. So 8 or 9. And we've got both a 6 and a 9 there. So that will help us out. That has to be our 8. So this is our 9, and this is our 6. We finish this box, we've got a 1, 2, we're missing a 3, a 5, and a 7. We've got a 3 and a 5 here, so this has to be 7. There's a 5 here, so this has to be 3, and that's our 5. We can do this column here. We're missing a 1, a 6, and an 8. There's a 1 there, so this has to be our 6 or our 8. 1 there and an 8 there, so this has to be our 6, this has to be our 1, this has to be our 8. So now if we want to do this box, we're missing a 1, a 2, and a 6. So again, the 1 is there, so this would be 2 or 6. There's a 6 here, so 1 or 2, and there's a 1 here, so 1 or 6. Or sorry, 2 or 6. So that means because there's a 1 here and a 1 here, this has to be our 1. So if we work on this row, we're missing a 2 and a 5, and we've got a 5 here, so this has to be our 2 and our 5. And we can just work on this box. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 6, 7, 8. So we've got a 6 here and an 8 here. Still have that 8 there. Got the 4 here and the 6 here. And again, the 4 here. All right, let's work on this row. We've got a 1, 2, we're missing a 3, a 4, and an 8. We don't have anything to help us here. And here we've got the 3, so 4 and 8, and because of that 3 there and that 3 there, this has to be our 3. If we work on this row, we're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got a 2 up here, so this has to be our 8, and this is our 2. All right, and we may have messed up this one. That would be there, that would be there, that would be there, that would be there, that would be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. So yeah, we're missing an 8, but that's going to give us 2 8s here. If we do this 6, we'd make this a 2, 7, 2, and a 6. 1, 2, 3, we're missing a 4 and a 7. There's a 7 here. This one we're missing, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing a 4 and an 8, but we've got both 4 and 8 there, yeah, so we will move on to the next one tomorrow. Thank you again for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.